Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I installed this U-part wig from UNice Hair Company. So jumping straight into this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly what I received in my package. So I got this little bag of goodies. In this bag, I got a wig cap, a melt band, some eyelashes, a makeup brush, and of course the wig itself. This was a body wave U-part wig. You guys see how this looks so nice and bouncy? So I'm just going to show you guys exactly how the wig looks from the inside and out. So inside, the wig has 5 clips that go around your leave out, and it has 2 combs at the side and also 1 comb at the back. This unit also has adjustable bands. So I'm going to go ahead and prep my hair. So I'm just going to start off by combing out my hair and making sure that it is nice and smooth. Then I'll be parting my hair in the middle. And for your part, you want to make it into a U-part shape, if that makes sense. Kind of like how you seen the wig, your hair needs to be left out like that. So I'm going to part off 2 sections, 1 on each side, and you want to make sure that it is kind of even. So be sure to just try to measure it. You don't really want to have more hair on one side than the other. And once that's done, I'm just going to put that section away. So these small pieces right here need to get cut off because that's where your hair will be going. So that is not necessary. And you also want to cut off the extra lace at the back of the wig. I didn't have scissors, so I'm just using a razor that I had. And then I'm showing you where you would clip it, and that's right around the parting. So I'm going to go ahead and braid my hair into 2 braids. So once your 2 braids are done, well, that's all I did. You can go ahead and put on your wig. So you just use the clips around the edges, open them up by pressing on the 2 sides, stick the clip in your hair and literally press down on it for it to close. I also used the combs at the side and pushed it through the sides of my hair. And that was it. The wig was on. There was nothing else left to do. I did not even have to do anything to the hair itself. So what I'm going to do now is just use my leave out to cover the track of the U-part wig, and then go ahead and style my leave out to blend in with this unit. So I basically went in with my Paris Hair wax stick and spread it all over my leave out, combed that, and then I used my waver by Babyliss and basically waved my leave out with some of the hair from the wig, and that was it, guys. That was all I did. This wig was one of the easiest units that I've ever had to install. It is so convenient, literally less than 10 minutes to do. So if you're looking for something that is very beginner friendly, this is a wig that you must try. So once I finished waving my hair, I'm just combing it out a bit with my hands, and then I'm going in with my gloss spray from Pink, and I'm just spraying it all over my hair. That's what I do for like my little finishing touches. So this is basically how it's looking. Guys, this blended in perfectly with the body wave. Perfectly. So if you guys are interested in this unit, all the details will be down in my description box below. So shout out UNice Hair Company for sending over this unit, because it is quick and fast, guys. It was super nice. So yeah, look at this, guys. So yeah, check out the details in my description box. If you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Comment down below, let me know if you guys have tried out these U-part wigs, how you guys feel about installing them, because I think it is super easy. So yeah, if you guys are not following my Instagram, make sure you guys follow me at nay.simone. And this is about it for this video. Once again, shout out to UNice Hair Company for this bomb unit, and I'll see you guys in my next video.